interview, yes.
Interview?
How do you feel today? You work here?
Yeah, actually,
Garbage?
work and cleaning garbage.
And then?
Actually, this time is simply wasting.
What, your?
Simply wasting about.
Who's wasting your time? Pita?
Not working, but simply wasting his time, bro.
Yes, also like how to get work. This is very important. Yes.
How do you work your place?
For exercise.
Yes.
That's my place. A different world.
Oh,
Actually,
this is my
it's different
friend.
cultures, different race culture, different food, different communication. Here is it. What? Cross culture.
Sorry?
Cross culture.
Cross culture.
Yeah.
Okay,
You know
okay.
cross culture?
Yes.
Come from different place. You are
Yes,
from different
yes.
place. I'm come from different place.
Yes.
Have different culture.
Yes.
Everything is different. Actually, agree. It is good.
So how do you feel the summer work here? Mr. Gameda,
Yes.
how do you feel? You're staying here at campus.
Yeah.
So how was the summer work?
Actually, I'm thinking sometimes my family,
Yes.
Africa,
Yes.
have nothing what to do.
Yes.
They're working, passing by work.
Yes.
You are finishing your times.
Yes.
After that, you're getting enjoying a class.
And
Everybody is today's interview is enough. You are interviewing me free.
you're free, yes. Okay, mister. So how was your work? Can you say?
You can't see my face.
Whoa!
How do you feel? Working drain? Is it okay?
I feel fine because
Because
during the first year I have never worked like this. This
Oh.
is my first time.
this is first experience, yeah? Okay, okay. Ramnath bhai. Yes. How was your work?
I feel proud because I'm doing all this nonsense things.
Nonsense. What is this nonsense? Can you show me?
All this stuff.
This is nonsense, huh?
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yes, brother. Can you say something about your drain that you clean here? How was this?
It's all about like the chances and the privilege to work here. It's like,
Fantastic. sorry about that. It's just a slip of tongue.
So, the summer is how is it? Is it too hot or cold?
Whoa, bro.
Is a
Fire.
great controversy.
Fire.
Fire.
For me.
Yes.
This is for me. The temperature degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius, bro. My car 20 degrees Celsius. What's the compare and contrast? Like fire.
So where did you get the shirt? This on God's mission. So is this a mission?
God is sent from me.
By
I
the way,
pray for you,
you are
brother.
doing a mission for on God's mission.
This is also machine.
Yeah.
This machine is what? God is machine. Profit is machine.
Okay.
The sponsor. Understand?
Yeah.
That is coming here. Bro, interview this Black Forest.
Black Forest. Where is Black Forest?
This one.
Black Forest.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you say something about the summer you work here? How
Look
was
at
your
my
cleaning the drain?
I've become a bit thinner, by the way.
Oh, by the way, that's it.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
But no negative thoughts. You know?
No negative thought. So, finish. Bye bye.
Interview is by money, not free.